Are you worried about losing your job to artificial intelligence? Elon Musk warned us about a year ago that AI can change everything as soon as it becomes smart enough. It is happening now. Many companies are cutting jobs just because ChatGPT is so good at doing certain human jobs and for a fraction of a cost. Just for a $20 monthly subscription, now anyone can create unlimited amounts of content with AI in minutes. But just how much of a threat is ChatGPT to your employment? I will answer this question and how job markets are changing because of it. For obvious reasons, companies are cutting jobs due to ChatGPT. First being the economic downturn affecting tech companies' bottom line. The second is AI. Although ChatGPT is still in its infancy, some businesses have already begun to lay off employees as a result of its adoption. For instance, a customer service company claimed that after implementing ChatGPT for their chat assistants, they were able to reduce their employees by 50%. After adopting ChatGPT to automate their procedures, another business in the data entry sector experienced a similar outcome. These are only two examples, but they are currently raising concerns among workers in linked industries. Hey, before we get too far, it would mean a lot to me just to help with YouTube's algorithm and how it runs. Please like the video right now. It will help other people to find the video. And if you're truly getting value, don't forget to subscribe. As most of you are probably aware, OpenAI's ChatGPT is a natural language processing chatbot. It is based on the most recent version of GPT 3.5 and features conversational abilities similar to those of a human being, as well as the ability to recall previous information. However, GPT is fondly referred to as a generativity-trained transformer. It is a kind of language model created by OpenAI that makes use of deep learning methods to produce human-like text. ChatGPT is one of the most sophisticated language models with a ton of training data. It was introduced on November 30th, 2022, and the beta version became accessible on December 1st. In just 5 days after opening, it attracted over 1 million signups and gained so much popularity. Currently, the tech world is excited about this language model. Many organizations are thrilled about the potential for automation because of its capacity to provide responses that resemble those of humans. However, the anxiety over how AI will affect jobs is growing along with the excitement. So which jobs are actually in jeopardy in the coming years? Given how much media attention ChatGPT is receiving right now, some people might be concerned that it will replace their jobs 100%. If you are one of them, stop being one who just worries and does nothing. ChatGPT could be a threat if your only duty is to answer queries with pre-written statements or write an article based on factual data, statistics, etc. However, ChatGPT might only be an addition to the majority of other difficult activities rather than a replacement, at least for now. As ChatGPT matures and gains wider acceptance, it is anticipated that employment losses will rise in the future. It is projected that the advancement of AI technology will have an impact on several sectors, including finance, healthcare, and retail. Writing medical summaries, transcribing physician notes, assisting with patient data-based diagnostic and treatment plan suggestions, and offering customer assistance by responding to frequently asked questions are just a few of the tasks in the healthcare industry that ChatGPT can automate. Complex medical judgments still require careful consideration and human talent. Therefore, technology is not yet sufficiently advanced to replace healthcare professionals entirely, so healthcare employees are safe for now. In the finance industry, ChatGPT can be used to automate routine tasks such as data entry, data analysis, and report generation. It can, for instance, gather financial data from several sources, evaluate it, and produce reports for financial advisors to study. ChatGPT can also help with customer service duties, including responding to frequently asked queries and managing standard transactions. However, it's crucial to remember that even if ChatGPT can handle these basic jobs effectively, it will still need human oversight and knowledge to maintain accuracy and make decisions that ethically call for judgment and critical thought. ChatGPT also has the potential to automate many routine tasks in retail, such as product recommendation, inventory management, and customer service. This could lead to job losses in some areas, but funny enough, it could also create new job opportunities in areas such as data analysis, AI development and maintenance, and customer experience management. I think by now you should be seeing a pattern already. Customer service, data entry, and other low-skilled jobs are at particular risks, as ChatGPT can perform these tasks faster and more efficiently than human workers. Programming and software engineering is another profession that may be impacted, even though it frequently calls for more sophisticated skills. ChatGPT can write codes and pass certification tests. The next update of ChatGPT might be able to do it even better, faster, and cheaper than any superhuman, but it is certainly a long way to go from writing sophisticated code. Furthermore, once ChatGPT was exploited to provide inaccurate answers to queries, Stack Overflow prohibited it. However, as the chatbot develops, it might replace routine coding work, freeing up human workers for more difficult tasks. Over the coming years, it will be interesting to see how ChatGPT and other AI programs advance in this area. Additionally, ChatGPT allows organizations to produce website copy, lengthy content marketing pieces, social media postings, marketing emails, and advertisements, work that is often performed by digital marketers. But it's important to realize that ChatGPT's outputs are solely based on already published writing and lack any creativity or innovation. Marketers who rely on established practices may have cause for concern, but those that bring unique human qualities to the table need not be anxious. However, it's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk. Many white-collar jobs, such as financial analysts and accountants, are also being impacted by AI. The key to staying ahead of the curve is to develop new skills that are in demand in a rapidly changing job market. This includes things like data analysis, coding, and creative problem-solving. AI-driven algorithms may alter the way SEO experts work, but they will not take the place of human creativity yet. However, human input and fact-checking are still necessary for these AI systems, making human participation crucial. At the moment, Google also regards AI-generated content as being against its policies. Expanding your skill set is essential if you want to stay ahead in AI. Content writers, for instance, can improve their skills by learning SEO, graphic design, copywriting, marketing, and so on. Having a range of skills makes you valuable and less replaceable. The top-tier professionals are still going to be around, while the newbies and people without a desire to get better will have a hard time to prove their worth to their employer. In today's world, it's crucial to continuously improve industry-related abilities for a competitive advantage over AI. But hold on, there's more. Let's now look at the limitations of ChatGPT. There are a few reasons why your employer may still be under threat, despite ChatGPT's drawbacks, but you shouldn't start to worry just yet. Here are a few of them. Number 1, ChatGPT is unreliable, even as OpenAI acknowledges its occasional generation of incorrect information. Number 2, it struggles to distinguish between truth and fiction, and can produce biased or harmful accounts. Number 3, its responses can vary depending on how a query is phrased, and using the program effectively requires specific phrasing and parsing. Number 4, the model's understanding of the world is limited, relying on selected databases and human expert input as of 2021 rather than constantly searching the internet for new information. Number 5, running the program requires a significant amount of energy and resources, with the cost of training alone surpassing $1 billion, and ongoing cloud-based server costs estimated at $87,000 per year for one instance. Therefore, even as the AI evolves and becomes more sophisticated, it will still require human operators to properly formulate queries and verify output, making it good for little more than generating misinformation at scale. It's important to note that ChatGPT is not even a search engine and cannot replace Google just yet. So despite its impressive capabilities, it's highly unlikely that this version of ChatGPT will have much of an impact on the job market this or next year. Although AI has come a long way in recent years, it still has a long way to go before it can rival the breadth of tasks that humans can perform, particularly at work. That being said, future models of ChatGPT might have a more noticeable impact on the economy. As AI continues to evolve and become more advanced, It will become more integrated into the workforce, with many fields in the process of adopting these technologies. However, don't expect the job market to look significantly different in just a few years due to AI. AI is still the subject of quite a bit of hype, and when you inspect it closely, you see that it still has significant shortcomings. Additionally, the breadth of tasks that humans can perform is much wider than what an AI can currently handle. Though the impact on jobs is a growing concern, it's critical to remember that ChatGPT is only one illustration of how AI is shaking up the work sector. Being knowledgeable and picking up new abilities can help you ensure that you are prepared for the workplace of the future.